So Higgsfield AI, which I think is the best AI platform for creating cinematic video, just released a new tool called Iconic Scenes. And basically this tool lets you upload your own selfie photo, and then you can put yourself into some famous movie scenes like from Infinite War, from The Matrix, from MIB, and many others. And these are just some great examples that they provided on their X account. And I would say Higgsfield is way better compared to Sora or VO2 when it comes to creating cinematic video, but still it is AI video, so it's not going to be always perfect every single time. However, if you are interested to try this new feature, you can navigate to higgsfield.ai. Here's the URL, and then you can sign up using your email account or maybe your Google account. And after that, you can get, I think you will get 12 credits for free just to try a few features on this platform. And if you want to try the iconic feature, you can click iconic here. This is the menu that you have to click, and you'll see a list of scenes that you could replicate using your own selfie photo. So there are some great examples here. Let's say I want to try using this Django Unchained. Alright, you can click on any scene that you want, and then you can also select the style. Like there's this Studio Ghibli style, there's this clay animation style, I guess. Yeah, there are a lot of different styles here that you could choose from, but let's stick with Studio Ghibli style. And after that, I'm going to just drag and drop this picture of Mr. Beast. That's the picture that I want to use. And let me just put it here and just wait until it is uploaded. And after that, you can click the generate button to start the process. Okay, so the image, it has been uploaded. Now I'm going to click generate and just wait until it finishes. Alright, it's still generating. Now it's gonna be a bit slower here because I'm using the free version of Higgsfield, but hopefully I can show you very soon. So I'll be back in a moment. Alright, after about 1 hour, it's finally done, and this is the result. Okay, yeah, I mean, it's not bad, but definitely not even close to what I would imagine when I'm using this AI tool. But still, given that I do it for free, and there is the fact that we have this kind of feature on Higgsfield AI, I think this is a great progress in AI video generation. So go ahead and go to Higgsfield AI and try it yourself. Anyway, if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.